Welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. A little bit different. Gonna have a kind of a tool review, I guess you could call it. Haisstronica. I'm assuming I'm saying the name right. Reached out if you'd be interested in taking a look at a pair of crimpers. I've got old school crimpers I've been using forever. I've got some heavy duty ratcheting ones. So they sent me a pair of their ratcheting crimpers for your basic butt connectors. Uh, you want to hang out? Let's check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. Crimpers I've been using for decades. Here's a new Haisstronica. What I liked about it is they're flat, not wedged, not dimpled. They're flat. If you ever dealt with telephone, you know about Scotch locks. Flat. So do a little side-by-side comparison on these things. Sorry, my squirrels don't let lake debris like that. Come over and hit it with the square side. Loop it around. Try the new ones. Drop in the tray easy. Oh, before I get too far into it, if you goof, see where my finger is? Releases the jaw. So if you accidentally ratchet too far and you need to adjust and you're stuck, quick, easy release. Goofed, easy release. It's actually pretty simple, straightforward. Similar compression, except for that leaves a T. Well, actually, it's shaped more like a handle. But you see the light white here? That's stress on the material. But you see it from the edge, it's not evenly compressed. But these right here are fairly evenly compressed. Pretty much the same box on both sides. Kind of surprised. I'm going to play with another one. I gotta clean my wire strippers. I've had them since 1992. They get a little hung up. Sometimes they retract, sometimes they just get stuck. Pretty quick and easy. Lay it in the track, line up your point. And I know some people use the dimple side. At least I've always called it the dimple side. It's the side that kind of halfway bites, but puts a big crease in it. I usually use those when you got the wires coming, or sorry, flat metal arms coming across, and it pushes them back down. But more times than not, old school side, I always went with those, especially on the smaller ones. But you can still see white stress points on that, but none on the hair net boxes. Pretty solid. We will see. As I said, not sure how well these E-clips are going to stay put. If they're, I have to get in, take it apart, measure how deep the ring seat is. Because if the ring seat's nice and deep, then we know that that'll dig in and bite. It's not, if it's shallow, then they'll have a chance of popping. But so I can't get my big paw in there. But easy release if you goof. Get it to that point, locks and holds, keep it in your toolbox. Soft release, easy ratchet. I mean, for an inexpensive pair, not too bad. As I said, threads do come through. We'll see how long these last. See how long these last. So they need either adjustment or replacement. But Irwin style grips, where it's hard plastic inside, slightly dense rubber on the outside, not too bad to grip on. Not too bad. But in 6 months, we'll find out. Did the handles hold? Did the handles fall off? Did the E-clips come off? Did anything break? Or are they still holding strong? They're only like $25 on, I think $25 on Amazon. So hey, really can't go too wrong with it. Give it a shot. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for commenting. Everybody have a good day.